We'll guide you through how to unblock someone on TikTok. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on TikTok. So for whatever reason you wish to go and unblock someone, perhaps you want to go and give them another chance or they apologize in real life. Also with this video, you're going to be able to go and see a list of the different accounts you've gone unblocked. So you can easily go and start seeing all of them and choose who you want to go and unblock if you want to go and do this with multiple as well. Now, just remember, when you go and start unblocking people, they're going to be able to go and start accessing your account again. They'll be able to go and follow you. They'll be able to go and see your content and liking and engaging with it and commenting, etc. So consider all of that. Ultimately, though, you can always go and block them again if you need to. Also, you'll start seeing their content in the view page as well. So to go and get started with this, what you want to do is come onto your TikTok profile. You can see I'm already here. You can go and see my post, my account. So press profile in the bottom right. Now you want to go to the top right and you're going to go and find the three lines which you can tap on, and this will open up this side menu. Go to the bottom and there you can find the settings and privacy and you can tap there. Now you want to come into account in this section and you want to go and find the option for privacy, so you don't need to really scroll at all. It should just be in the initial view here. Then what you need to do is you need to go and scroll down into the interaction section, like so. Scroll all the way down, literally all the way down, and at the bottom, you're going to go and see the option for blocked accounts. So in here is going to be a list of the different accounts you've gone and blocked. So let's come into it like so. I'll have to go and hide some of these. But what you can then do is go and find the account you want to unblock. So you can scroll through here and go and browse through them. And then what you can do is go and press unblock to the right like so. As you can see, it now says unblocked. And you can go through the list and go and repeat that. What you can then do as well is you can come and head to their account by pressing home and searching for them, get into their profile, and of course you can go and follow them again potentially. So that's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful how-tos. Post every single day, so I'm sure we'll be able to go and help you again with something else.